Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we continue learning about addition of fraction. So the same method, when you want to add fraction together, they have to be the same denominator. Example, when you got 3 over 4 and plus 5 over 4, this is possible for write out the operation. It means you have addition here and you got 3 plus 5 in numerator and 4 in denominator like this. So most of my students have mistake about this question is when they write down 3 over 4 plus 5 over 4 like this, they take operation, they take addition for both numerator and denominator like this. So very carefully, this is wrong way for write down addition of fraction. Just write out like this. When you have the same denominator, so the denominator will be 4. It's not plus 4 plus 4. Okay, so the right answer for this question is 8 over 4. This is not 8 over 8 like this. Yeah, very carefully about this one. Another example for this operation, you got 3 over 2 and minus 1 over 2 here. And you can see now the denominator for both fraction here is the same. They are also be 2. You will have new fraction is 3 minus 1 over 2. So it becomes to 2 over 2 or equal 1 like this. Yeah, and one more time you got 5 over 7 and plus 3 over 7 like this. Yeah, you will got 5 plus 8 over 7 and then you got 8 over 7 like this. Yeah, the same thing for subtraction between two denominator. You have 7 over 3 and minus 2 over 3 in here. You will got 7 minus 2 over 3 and here is 5 over 3. Another one, 9 over 4 minus 3 over 4. So when you have this, you can write out like 9 minus 3 in numerator over 4 in denominator. So here is 6 over 4. So I think it's not too difficult for you. Yeah, when you have same denominator, you can take addition or subtraction between that fractions. Okay, so the method for this one, you can imagine in your mind like this. When you got the fraction a over b plus c over b, the number b in the denominator are the same for both fractions. So you can take operation like a plus c over b like this. And another one, a over b minus c over b, and you have new fraction is a times a minus c over b like this. Okay, so that is not too difficult, right? But something new for you. I want to write down 1 over 2 and plus 3. So here is problem. You have 3 here. This is not fraction. So how can you change it become to fraction? You have to imagine that 1 over 2 plus 3. So you can change integer become to another fraction is 3 over 1. Why you have this? Because 3 divided by 1 is mean 3. It means 3. So you can change from the integer become to fraction by this one. Okay. And 3 over 5 plus 2. How can you write down next fraction? You have 3 over 5 will be add to 2 over 1. 2 over 1. Yeah, it's not too difficult, but I have to tell you because some of you will make mistake about this one. Okay, 3 over 7 and minus 2. What is this? What is 2 here? I want to change it become to denominator and fraction. Oh, sorry, 2 over 1. Okay, so the last example, you got 5 over 9 and plus 5. Plus 5 is mean 5 over 1 like this. Yeah, that is the way how can you change from integer become to fraction. But we have new problem. We cannot take addition because the denominator between these fractions are not equal. This one different to this one. So how can you do that? Look at this. It's not too difficult, but you have to carefully listen. I have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 5. You can see now the fraction, these fractions are not the same denominator or not. You can see now the denominator of first fraction is 2 and the second fraction is 5, so they are not the same. I want to change it from different to equivalent. So how can I work that? I will take new operation. I've got two numbers in denominator here, 2 and 5. So the first one I will multiply by other number, 5 here, and this 5 will be multiplied by 2. So you can remember this signal. The small number inside the bracket will tell you about next operation. You will have 1 times 5 and 2 times 5 for first fraction. 1 times 5 is 5 and 2 times 5 is 10. So the second fraction you got 1 over 5 and the 2 inside the bracket will tell you next operation. 1 times 2 is 2 and 5 times 2 is 10. Yeah, okay. So that is next step. How about another example? 3 over 5 plus 3 over 2 in here. Okay, sorry, I will change here become to 7. So here is 5, here is 7. We have two numbers in denominator, 5 and 7. So for 5, I will multiply by 7. And for 7, I will multiply by 5. So after this writing, I will have next operation. 3 over 5 will be multiplied both numerator and denominator by 7. So you will have 3 times 7 and 5 times 7. Another one, you got 3 times 5 and 7 times 5. And then they become to another operation. 21 over 35 plus 15 over 35. So why do you have to work with this one? Because after this bracket, you will have new fraction with same denominator, 35 for both this one, or 10 in first example. Okay, so after that it's very easy for take addition or subtraction or another operation. Okay, so go on for this one. 4 over 3 and minus 1 over 5. You got 3 and 5 in here. So for 3, I will multiply by 5. And for 5, I will multiply by 3. So after this step, you got 20 over 15. Because 4 over 3, I will take multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. And for the second one, 1 over 5 and the 3 inside the bracket. So I will have 3 over 15 because 3 times 1 is 3 and 5 times 3 is 15. So after this step, you have both these fractions are same denominator, 15. Okay, so after that, you can take operation like 20 minus 3 over 15. And you got 17 over 15 like this. And for this one, you got 5 plus 2 over 10 is mean 7 over 10 here. And the last one, you got 21 plus 15 over 35. So you have the final answer is 36 over 35. 36 over 35. Yes, this is a little difficult for you right now, but don't worry, next video we will practice a lot about this kind of exercise. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time. Bye bye.